Hello guys, good evening. Today I want to share a story about my class plans and moments for breaking the fast together. This iftar, breaking the fast, has actually been a hot topic since the start of school. We were busy deciding on a suitable location and time. Finally, on Saturday, February 28th, we agreed to hold the event at Rambo Chicken, since it never been there before and did know the way. I decided to find a friend to go with. I leave home around 4 o'clock in the afternoon and meet Fanny on the way. We then continued our journey to Hannah's house. While waiting for Rizky and Rahel in front of Hannah's alley for almost 30 minutes, we passed Chacha and Chantika, who were buying food for the family. Since Rizky and Rahel were nowhere to be seen, we called them and agreed to meet halfway. On the way, we ran into Nadine, so we continued our walk together. Not long after, Rizky and Rahel joined us. I honestly felt a bit nervous here and chose the back of the motorcycle line, as this was my first time riding that far alone, especially since I wasn't familiar with the way to Rambuchkan. Upon arrival, we immediately paid for the order we had booked 2 days earlier. Since our other friends hadn't arrived yet, we decided to go out for a quick bite to eat. I was reading with Nadine. Unfortunately, we couldn't find anything suitable, so we decided to return to the restaurant. On the way, we encountered Chacha and Chantika again, who wanted to turn around and approach us but decided against it as we immediately drove back to our original destination. Finally a knock. Upon arriving at Rambo Chicken, we learned that there was a rule prohibiting bringing it outside food or drinks. Luckily, he hadn't packed any takjil. As evening praying approached, the atmosphere began to get lively. Although it turned out not all of our classmates could join us. After breaking the fast, Kesha, Salma, and I headed to the prayer room. Initially, we thought it would be a mixed prayer room, but it turned out to be separate for men and women. We hurriedly moved to the correction location. After the service, the mandatory agenda was, of course, a group photo for the entire class as a souvenir. The event was over, and I went home alone, as Fanny, Rahel, Hannah, and Rizky had already left, while Nathan continued with Chantika. Thankful, I still remembered the way home. I arrived at home just as the call to prayer for Isa prayer was heard. Exhausted, I missed Tarawih prayers. I rested for half an hour on my phone, then performed Isa prayers and went straight to bed. That's a little story about my breaking the fast together this year. Thank you for watching until the end. I apologize for any mistakes and see you later. Bye.